Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to learn about healthy habits. We'll talk about some important activities that can help you stay healthy and feel great. Let's get started. Exercise. Exercise. Physical activity that keeps your body fit and strong. You can exercise by walking, running, or doing yoga. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Eating a variety of foods to get the right nutrients. I eat a balanced diet with vegetables, meat, and rice. Hydration. Hydration. Drinking enough water to keep your body healthy. It's important to stay hydrated by drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Sleep. Sleep. Getting enough rest to help your body recover. You should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Hygiene. Hygiene. Keeping your body and surroundings clean to prevent illness. Good hygiene includes brushing your teeth and washing your hands. Relaxation. Relaxation. Taking time to rest and reduce stress. Reading a book or meditating can help you relax. Meditation. Meditation. A practice to calm the mind and reduce stress. Meditation for just 10 minutes a day can improve your focus and mental health. Regular checkups. Regular checkups. Visiting the doctor regularly to monitor your health. I go for regular checkups to monitor my health. Portion control. Portion control. Eating the right amount of food to stay healthy. I practice portion control by eating small amounts. Positive thinking. Positive thinking. Focusing on positive thoughts to improve your mood and outlook. I think positively to feel happy every day. Healthy eating. Healthy eating. Choosing nutritious foods that help your body stay strong. I practice healthy eating by having fruits and vegetables. Healthy weight. Healthy weight. Maintaining a body weight that is healthy for your height and body type. I maintain a healthy weight by eating well and exercising. Staying active. Staying active. Moving your body regularly to stay healthy and fit. Staying active can be as simple as taking a daily walk or playing a sport. No smoking. No smoking. Avoiding tobacco products to improve health. I practice no smoking to keep my lungs healthy. Stretching. Stretching. Moving your body to improve flexibility and reduce injury. Stretching before exercise can help prevent muscle strains. Mental health. Mental health. Taking care of your mind and emotions. Talking to a friend or practicing mindfulness can improve your mental health. Healthy relationships. Healthy relationships. Building supportive and positive relationships with others. I build healthy relationships by being kind to my friends. Vitamins. Vitamins. Nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. I take vitamins every morning. Sun protection. Sun protection. Taking steps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. I use sun protection to keep my skin safe from the sun. Skin care. Skin care. Taking care of your skin to keep it healthy and clean. I have a skin care routine to protect my skin. Limit sugar. Limit sugar. Reducing the amount of sugar in your diet to stay healthy. Limiting sugar can help prevent weight gain and reduce the risk of diabetes. Cardio. Cardio. Exercises that increase heart rate and improve cardiovascular health. I do cardio exercises like running to keep my heart strong. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment and share to get more useful knowledge.